Hi friends, if you accidentally delete any apps on your Samsung phone, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you how to easily recover it. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, then open Google Play Store. Once the Play Store app is open, look at the top right corner, find the Google profile icon, simply click on it and make sure you can log into your exact account. After that, scroll through the page, locate the Manage Apps and Device option, tap to open it. At the very top, click on Manage option. Then select this device and choose Not Install and wait to open the page. Here you can see all of the apps listed there if you previously installed and also delete your phone. Now find the exact app if you want to recover. For example, I am recovered this one weather app my phone again. Simply tap on the check mark icon. After the app is selected, look at the top right corner, see the short download icon. Simply tap on it and right now you have successfully installed process is work and wait to complete the installation process. Once the installation is done, your phone simply go back to your home screen and open the app door, and here you can see the deleted apps recovery there. To check it, go back, open app door, and right now my weather app is here. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Goodbye.